Hello everyone, welcome back. We are sorry, it has been a long time without making videos, and life is like that. We have been very busy, and that is why we did not make the videos for this long duration. We really apologize for that, and actually we have come back fully. Every week we shall be uploading new videos. So if you are new here and you did not subscribe, please consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You also turn on notification so that when we upload the new video, you see that we have uploaded. You also like the video, because if you like the video, YouTube is going to recommend it to many people. There are so many people who are interested to learn Dinka language. So if YouTube recommend it to others, it will be very good, so that they can also learn like you. Otherwise, I welcome you all, and let us take this short video, Dinka language. Yes, we shall be making more videos. First one is march. March mean fire. March mean fire. Tick mean woman or wife. When you say in Dinka language tick, you mean woman or you mean wife. For example, ting iding, ting igarang, ting ijon is like, in English is like wife of Deng, wife of Garang, wife of John, wife of Peter. Wife of Peter is Tingi Peter. So tick is a Dinka word that means woman or wife. Diaar is a plural form of tick, which means women. Diaar, women. Da I A ra. Da I A ra. Diaar. Da I A ra. Diaar. This is da I A ra. Diaar, woman. Tieng de is wife. Is wife is called tieng de. De is wife. Tieng de is wife. Dum da oma dum. Dum is garden or farm. Dum. Garden or farm. Another word is dumb mean catch. The machine catch my hand. The machine catch my hand. Jong catch the dog. Dog is called Jong. Dom catch. Jong catch the dog. Kor mean lion. Mean catch the lion. That is what dom is different from dom. This is dom, garden or farm, and this is dum. Da o ma dum. It's called catch, to catch something or to catch Yeah, you catch something that's called dom, and this dom is garden. Tiim, 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 tiim. Tiim mean trees, trees, trees is a plural. This tiim is a plural, that means trees. And if we say tiim, tiim like this, mean one tree. That's tree. Now, Tiim image, Tiim image, Tiim image, Tiim image mean firewood, 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 firewood is Tiim image, firewood. Tiim cereal, Tiim cereal, Tiim cereal, Tiim cereal, Tiim cereal mean dry wood, dry wood or dry tree, dry wood or dry tree. That is Tiim cereal, Tiim cereal, dry wood or dry tree. Ra I e l, ra I e l, real, ra I e l, real, Tiim cereal. Tiim image adapt, Tiim image adapt, Tiim image adapt mean firewood is burning, firewood is burning. Tiim image adapt, we know Tiim is a tree or firewood, and image mean fire, adapt, dep mean burning, burning. Tiim image adapt, firewood is burning. NHIALIC God, NHIALIC God, NHIALIC God mean may God bless you, may God bless you. May is like may, NHIALIC na, this is the one word, one yeah, you call it na, I a la isha, NHIALIC na I a la isha, na I a la isha, NHIALIC, NHIALIC wake, NHIALIC mean God, God, wake you, wake you, dooc mean bless. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and thanks. Okay, we got to let we call video kan lỗi của nay ran yam cái cẳng ban của in point ben và có balo in bên là publication là bảo toàn nhỉ kuna ai của video sẽ ok bay channel cái này có lo daman cả bay ayok của bin rồi cho trong muonyjang. So thank you for those who subscribe, thank you for those who like, thank you for those who comment, and please if you have and if you know if you have more vocabularies in Dinka, write them in comment sections. I will come and put them, make a video and put them here in YouTube. Yeah, that's how we are going to learn. So we are going to learn together. I can also learn from you, you also learn from me. That how it is. Yes. Otherwise, thank you so much. We will be uploading videos this coming duration. Bye.